Hi, Andrea here. Today we are going to continue our talk about natural numbers, focusing on operations with them. As anticipated in the previous video, we need a clear and formal way to define natural numbers. In order to achieve this target, it may be useful to talk about what we can do with natural numbers. One of the most straightforward operations we can perform is addition, also known as sum. You can think to the example of 2 plus 3 equals 5. Very simple, but it helps to understand we are in a certain way putting together the value of the two numbers 2 and 3. It is like having two baskets of oranges, one with 2 oranges and the other with 3 oranges. Overall, we have 5 oranges. The other operation we can think to is multiplication. Back to the oranges example, we can think to the situation of 3 baskets, each with 2 oranges in it. The total is retrieved by the operation 2 times 3 equals 6, which means we take 2 oranges 3 times. But the multiplication is just adding multiple times the same number. In this case, 2 times 3 equals 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 6. As you can see, the idea is to sum the content of each basket for the number of times they appear. So, we have just discovered that multiplication is another way to write down a sum with equal terms. Therefore, the sum is a more fundamental operation. Now the question: is there any more fundamental operation than addition? In the 2 plus 3 equals 5 example, we can think that we are incrementing number 2 by 1 unit 3 times. This can be shown as 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 5. It is like counting from 2 up to 5. We have 2, then 3, after 4, and finally 5. So, the fundamental operation we are looking for is passing from one number to the other next to it. We define the successor operation with the letter S, and we can indicate the successor of any natural number n as S of n, or the next number after n. This can be read as successor of n. Just to fix the ideas, the successor of 7, written as S of 7, is equal to 8. This is a huge discovery for us, because we hold in our hands something basic about the natural numbers. We hope to use what we learned here to define the natural numbers in the next videos. Hey, the video is not over yet. I wanted to give you just a final quick note about other familiar operations we did not mention here: subtraction and division. To be sharp, it is possible to make 2 examples to understand we are not ready yet for this kind of tools. In the first one, we see that 1 minus 2 is not positive, while in the second, 1 divided by 2 is not an integer. So, these results cannot be explained at the moment. But really, just for now.